What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we hit ourselves another home run. Check it out. Well, guys, today started off with a pretty big watch list as far as small caps went, and overall, I had a pretty decent watch list. As you can see here, SPY, of course, front and center, SPCE, COCP, continuation from yesterday, VVPR, gap up today, GMPX, always on watch generally lately, and then AEY, that was a morning mover there, and this was my watch list. And I did trade a small cap. I did trade SPY. I was very active this morning, but I was keeping it all very tight, very, very tight, and just waiting to see for the perfect opportunity to really, sink myself into a trade and grab some decent size and try to come up with a nice day. That was my plan this morning, and came into the day and executed. And so far today, sitting on a nice home run of a day, let me tell you. I think I took two trades in the SPY that chopped me up, and then I took one trade on AEY, and we're gonna go over those here. I have them here for you, but before we do, you know what time it is. Do me that quick favor and feed the YouTube algorithm. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and comment in the comment section below. Let me know how your trading went. What do you think the market is? What's gonna be the low? Because the daily is looking pretty mean here on the SPY. We're trying to hold this 320 area, but if it doesn't hold that 320 area, guys, we're gonna come down here to 315, 316, 315, 312, like this general area here, right above 310. I would think, and I do plan to add to some of my long-term stuff little by little as it pulls back in, and see, maybe, who knows? I mean, it's 200 day at this point. The way the market's behaving, unless something major happens, I don't see a world where we don't go test that potentially. But for now, that 315-ish area is what I would think if we don't hold this 320 area, which right now doesn't look like it wants to hold it. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this day. Let's see here. As you know, yesterday I traded a small cap right at the end of the day. CODX, I was in at 396. 1,000 shares, exited at 426. I did a recap video in the afternoon for that one specifically because I hadn't done a small cap recap in a while, so I wanted to do that one. So make sure you go ahead and check that one out. I uploaded it yesterday. AEY was a gapper this morning, gapped up some, a little bit, not too much, but it gapped up about 20 cents. Pushed right off the bell, right up here in front of $6 from 550. Nice push. Pulled it in and then broke through that on a real nice increase in volume, like big volume, all the way up here to 650. And this thing has been on a tear. If you look at the daily, let's see here. Look at that. It's been on a tear, as you can see here, from like $2 and change all the way to a high day today of 649. So it has been moving a lot and making some big moves here. So let's get back here. Once we made that high and we pulled it in, I jumped in two times I jumped into this trade. Let's see here, I believe. Okay, so one time was in here, in this flag right above VWAP, got stopped out here. Then I jumped right back into it in here, and I got stopped out right here. So those are two losses right there. And I know I have at least one of those recorded, so let me grab that one here for you. I believe it should be... Okay, no, that's SPY. That's where I got shaken out on the SPY. Okay, here we go. So I was just in 250 shares, nothing more. Looking to see if we were going to get this pop from this down resistance line. If we got a pop over that down resistance line with a nice increase in volume, I was going to add another 500 shares, looking for a push to 650, take some off, hold 500 shares, looking for a push up to 675, $7. That was the plan, but this is what we got instead. And right there, I got stopped out, and I'm glad I did because it went to garbage right after that and all the way down here to 575. And now look at this. This is why I've stayed away from small caps so much this month, because this is the action we've been getting from them. Choppy. Like this, come on. Shorts for sure. We're like, okay, boom, we're shorting this into, right back down to where it came from. And look at this. It holds this 575 out of nowhere and then pops right through VWAP. A little increase in volume. Just choppy, 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 choppy. Some of the other stuff on my watch list was VVPR. And here's the action on VVPR. VVPR, just pulled it in and kind of set up this double bottom right here. And it's one of my favorite patterns. But I'm having a hard time trusting small caps right now. So I didn't look at it in order to trade it. I started looking at it here to see if it would hold this $2 area, but I've lost some faith in these small caps for now. As soon as they're back and they're hot, I'm gonna be all over them. But that's it for me. I didn't trade VPR. COCP was also on watch, but look at this. Come on, you can't blame me for not wanting to trade this right now. Look at this, 217 low, 250 high. Back down to the lows, right back up to the highs. Back to the lows, back up over VWAP. New low, back up over VWAP. New low again. Like, what is this? This is a chop fest. It is a chop fest. Like just somebody chopping wood. Oh, man. SPCE, I almost traded this right here on this VWAP break. Almost traded this. I thought we might squeeze the shorts out here, but did not trade it. And then last but not least, the SPY. This is where oh my God, it just keeps going lower. Oh my God, these options are going off at $4 and change. My best sell on these were $3.18 from like 250 something. Yeah, from like 250 something. Good Lord. Ugh. All right, then let's get back to the recap. So SPY opened up with a slight gap up and then just chopped around here. I tried to get some puts and ride this lower, but I just kept getting chopped, thinking that we were gonna make like a red to green move. Got stopped out here, got stopped out. I think it was in here. Yeah, actually, let's see here. Yeah, I got stopped out right in here. We broke through VWAP there, and I was like, oh, stopped out. And then look at that. And and then we started to get that big dump, and I took part in that big dump right there. Super happy about it. So we're going to go ahead and bring that trade right on over. Oh, wait, let me show you. Maybe I have the SPY. I think I have the SPY where it chopped me up. I guess not. Do it? No, that's okay. I guess I don't have it. Oh, well. All right, so let's get back in here. And here we are. I actually added, okay, so I took my starter, boom, added, and then I think I added some more in this candle right here when we rejected 322, and I was just adding on the way down. I took my starter and added, and I had 16 contracts right there, and I said, okay, well, that's it, that's enough. Let's see what this is gonna do. And I was looking for it to break yesterday's low. Here's the daily. You could see yesterday's low right here at 321 area. And I was looking for it to break underneath that and go lower. And that was the plan. So here is the trade right here. We hit that area. Now we're looking for the full rejection. And there we go. We started to get it. I have 16 contracts. I'm up a couple $100 so far. I've added really heavy into the dump, and now we're really starting to extend, and I'm super happy. Right there, I automatically take half off right there. So like I'm in these 258 cost basis, and I take half off at right there. Let's see if it pops up real quick at 285. So it was a decent little trade there because I was down on the day about $170 between getting chopped up in the SPY earlier and the AEY losses. I took 2 losses on that one, so I was down 170 on the day. So right there, that setting those 8 contracts, boom, brought me back to the green on the day. So that was perfect. And now I'm looking to ride these 8 and get my paycheck. That's what I'm looking to do right here. I'm looking to get paid now. So boom, every time we push a little bit lower, I sell a little bit more. So right there, I have 8 contracts from 261 cost basis, and I sell 4 right there. Boom, those are gone. And those are gone at, let's see if it shows, at 299. So another nice little take profit right there on 4 contracts. I have 4 contracts left from 261. And now these are the ones that are going to pay me decently. So we keep making new lows. We keep making new lows. Right there I sold 2 more because 320 is a potential bounce area on the daily. Check out the 320 right here. This is 320 bounce area, 320 bounce area, 320 bounce area, 320 bounce area, 320 resistance area. And that's all on the SPY going back into December. So that was my target, that was my target. These are 321.50 puts. So I'm definitely, I'm well into the money on them right there. I take 2 more off right there when we get that, bounce in that 320 area. And then I wait for the next candle to start to form. Oh, no, I don't. I thought I did. I guess I took off the last 2. Right here, I took off those last 2. They're done. Boom. So I was really happy with that take profit there. So, from being down $170 on the day to being up on the day now, a home run over $400, this was a really nice trade. This was basically a $600 trade, and I can't complain about that. I could have held on a little bit longer and made a whole lot more money, but I honestly thought that we were going to stick that 320. And as a matter of fact, we kind of do stick that 320 right here, as you can see, and we get that bounce right back up to 321. So the plan was sound. It did rip right through it again. Let's see what happens. Definitely going to have the market overall for directional trades on watch the rest of the day and probably into tomorrow, because I don't see where this bleeding just stops out of nowhere unless we get some big, good news on this whole coronavirus stuff, where containment is held and, we start to see where it's not spreading rapidly to other countries. And that's what's scaring the market, because these other countries can't pump money into their economy to sustain it, and the market's reacting to that. And it's as simple as that, guys. Well, remember that once I get to 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to fund one of your accounts. It's going to be a free giveaway. So go ahead and make sure you subscribe to the channel so we can continue growing. The faster we get to 10K subscribers, the faster we can do that giveaway, and the faster somebody can take home a $500 trading account. Smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section below. Let me know where you traded, and I'll catch you on the next one.